Hello, everybody. So this is the first in a series of videos where we talk about Hermes Agent. I think you're all familiar with OpenClaw. So Hermes is basically a pumped up version of OpenClaw. It's not the same, obviously. It has its own differences, and um, it's developed by No Research, which is a serious AI lab, while OpenClaw is actually developed by an indie dev. So OpenClaw is beginner friendly, kind of, and it just got complicated with time. The However, Hermes is more kind of research grade, but it's amazing. So let's not talk much and act more. Okay, so the first thing you need to do to install Hermes is just head over Hermes Agent .noresearch.com and just have this command copied and just paste it in any of the terminals you use, um, and then you just wait for it to run and install. After installing it, then most likely, okay, so you should be able to run it just like this, but you won't be able to because of it's not available in path. But what you can do is we can just go to the VNV folder. So navigate to Hermes Agent VNV bin Hermes, and then you can start it from here. But in case you don't want to do this every time, then what you can do is you just source and then navigate from bin to activate. Yeah. And this will actually um, activate the virtual folder, and then you just do Hermes and it will start for you. There it is. This is the beauty of Hermes. All right, so nothing too scary, obviously, but this is basically how you set things up. So this is Hermes for you, and then you can set up the communication channel. You can set up everything else you need. So initially, this is how you just get it started. It's very simple, very straightforward, and then yeah, Control C to quit, and that's it. Now, to avoid running this command every time, you want to start Hermes. Sorry. To avoid running this command every time, then you just have to add it to path. And the way we can do that is very simple. We just need to add this command to the path file. We need to export the path to the path file. Just like we did, we just expose the bin folder to the path file, and then we save to the hidden bash, terminal. So you just do this, and then we restart silently. So we just do source. All right. So after we appended the path um, to the list of files, I mean the path to the list of shell configuration, then we need to silently restart the terminal. It just reloads the configuration file without having to restart the terminal. So now if we go Hermes, it should work right off the bat. And this is it. So the other thing we need to do is run the setup. So what we can do is, so the first time you do this, you just run setup. So these steps are just illustrations on just in case Hermes didn't install the path for you and all that stuff when it was being installed. So after we added Hermes to the list of known commands, we save it permanently and apply it now by using what we did, which is the source, the shell configuration file. Anyways, so when we do Hermes setup, this is when we get the configuration we need to set, just like how things were with OpenClaw. And yeah, so this was the quick video for setting up Hermes. And the next step would be the next video will explore the setup process together. All right, thank you for watching. And my goal again is to make these videos very short to the point, and have a good day.